My name is Igor Enkhtunkh, explorer, adventurer, and a guy who ends up in some interesting places. With a degree in journalism and filmmaking, I traveled to the ends of the earth investigating the greatest places in the world. This is Igor Travels the World. Alright, so at the end of our second day, we've arrived at our second gur camp. Today was quite interesting. We did a lot of off-road driving, ended up seeing a bunch of camels since we're now in the southern Gobi. And actually here at this gur camp, as you just saw, there were a bunch of camels and they were cutting their fur, and then they go and they sell it at the markets. I'm pretty exhausted. Dinner is soon. I think that's it for today. Frisbee time, baby. Gotcha. Yeah, if I can. Okay, my friends, thanks for a wonderful day. It's the end of day 2. Tomorrow is a new adventure.